Hey y'all, it's Latana. I promised I'd come back and do an update to the DIY unit once I burnt something that had pretty good detail. Wanted to come back today and show you guys again, for those of you guys that have missed it and those who are having problems with it. This is the 50-watt LED light off of Amazon. So I've got the light and we have a box here. This unit was built from 4 wood screens. So we've got wood screens here and cardboard box. That is a wood screen, and the bottom screen still has the screen on there, and that acts as a base for the light to go in. So let me just put the light in. I did go ahead and add a glass top from Home Depot to the unit. The top cost me about 10 bucks, and it was over in the window section, and it's just a thin glass. They were working on these 2 images for Google Cloud. Pretty fine detail. This is the second image. Let's go ahead and burn them. I added registration marks so I could actually use the glass as a registration board. And it's very easy. Just line up this registration mark and this registration mark. Now that the registration mark is perfectly aligned, I'm just going to put my screen on top of it and add some weight. The weight has been added. Turn off the light and burn for 30 seconds. The light is 30 inches from the glass. Okay, let's go wash it out. Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. I did tell y'all it's dark 30, so I'm trying to put the cameras on. So, you see, I like you can see it on film. There it is. It's coming out. You can see the details on the film. This one is my bandana design. So I just soaked it up with cold water. And then I wait a second. And what I do is, it's a real quick way to get your screens to wash out, especially when they have thin lines, is to put your water on like a room temp or just a little warm, not hot, because you don't want to lock the emulsion in the screen. But if you make it a little warm, you'll go ahead and break the emulsion down really fast. So just barely warm, right about room temperature, and I let it run for a minute so that I can see that the water just normally I would go outside and I would spray this out, but turn on full power. That's kind of too hot. Okay. Yeah, normally I would hit this with my hot pressure hose and knock it off, but since it's in the middle of the night and I don't want to go out there. working at home, and you're working under these conditions, just take your time and let the emulsion sit and let the water soak on it and get wet. And just keep the string wet up and you'll be fine. I'm really happy with this homemade burn unit. It's small, it fits in my house, so I don't have to have my big set up. Gives you the ability to work from home or to work, in the office. I can take the burn unit out live with me when I'm traveling. As you can see, it's getting pretty good detail. I haven't done a lot of past homework. Because it burns so fast, I haven't done any past homework with it. I've done probably 2 or 3 jobs. I still prefer to use my professional unit on when I'm doing jobs that have, this is washed out, y'all. Washed out over. I'm just looking real closely. When I get to this place to go live, anything and everything that can happen that can go wrong goes wrong at a live event. You should be able to feel your emulsion is not sticky. Okay. This is pretty much ready. Yeah. Let's see if I can come in and zoom in for y'all. That's the design on that unit. Okay, here's a look at the test print. You can get pretty good detail with the burn unit. Hope that helps.